Hey there, Michelle here from Michelle's Party Planet, and today I'm sharing how you can sublimate these ceramic ornaments in a sublimation oven. So let's get started. For this project, you'll need these ceramic sublimation ornaments. These are 2.75 inches wide. We'll start by removing all the lint with a lint roller. I'm using some sublimation prints that I already had on hand, and my paper punch that is exactly the same size. Punching 2 circles for each ornament. Traditionally, ornaments are pressed with heat presses, but I found a way that we can do it in the oven. So what we're going to do is place a circle on each side of the ornament and use lots of heat tape to secure it. We're going to tightly wrap the sublimation prints with heat tape all the way around, and also going to add some heat tape across the middle. Just make sure that the tape is as tight as you can get it. Once you have enough tape on there, we're going to grab some shrink wrap. Because this is a small item compared to the tumblers used with the shrink wrap, we're going to cut it to size. Place the ornament inside the wrap, get your heat gun, and shrink wrap. Try to get as much air out of it as possible. I also wanted to try this with sublimation ink transfer sheets. What I'm doing here is I'm peeling back the backing so that I can easily cut the transfer sheet with my paper punch. Again, you're going to need 2 for each ornament. We're going to tape this one the same way I did the other one, and I'm also going to use some shrink wrap. Once you're done, you're going to set your sublimation oven to 366 degrees for 8 minutes. When it's done, you're going to take it out to cool and then remove the paper to reveal the designs. I'm really happy with how bright these came out. The transfer sheets worked perfectly. These are also fun to make with your favorite photos like I did here. Colors are vibrant. And here is the one I made with the sublimation scrap paper that I had. It's a marble look. These ornaments come with some gold string to tie so you can hang. You could also use your own ribbon or a traditional ornament hook to match your decor. Let's take a closer look at the results. Here's the cheetah print that was transfer sheets. Here's a photo with just regular sublimation paper. And here is another sublimation print that I had on hand. Here are a couple of more samples that I made while I was testing the process. This one here was made with transfer sheets as well. I hope you like this project. Like and follow for more.